case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Texas city found itself at the center of a pivotal Supreme Court case in 1985. The crux of City of Cleburne v. Cleburne Living Center, Inc. was a probing examination of the Constitution's stance on discrimination, particularly as it pertains to vulnerable groups. The Supreme Court's scrutiny hinged on the understanding that all laws affecting such groups must hold a rational connection to a legitimate governmental purpose to safeguard against discrimination. The contentious issue at the heart of this case was the denial of a special use permit by the Texas city for a group home intended to house mentally retarded individuals. The refusal was based on a stipulation in the local zoning ordinance. The Court of Appeals stepped in, deeming the ordinance in violation of the Equal Protection Clause by classifying mental retardation as a quasi-suspect class. The district court had initially upheld the ordinance, asserting that mental retardation did not fall into either a suspect or quasi-suspect classification. Despite this lower ruling, the Supreme Court declared the ordinance invalid. They rejected the notion of considering mental retardation as a suspect classification, but maintained that the ordinance still didn't pass muster. Their decision pivoted on their examination of the ordinance's potential infringement upon the respondents' right to equal protection under the law. The requirement for a special use permit for the proposed Featherston home, a residence intended for the mentally disabled, was, according to the court, in violation of the Equal Protection Clause. The Supreme Court pointed out that the ordinance was riddled with prejudice against the mentally disabled. It failed to make valid distinctions between the Featherston home and other residential properties. As a result, the case was sent back for additional proceedings, demonstrating that arbitrary prejudice and discrimination cannot withstand the scrutiny of the highest court in the land.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.